In this video, I'll show you how to pair your iPhone to your new Pioneer AVH-110BT through Bluetooth. So it is super easy to pair your iPhone to the AVH-110BT through Bluetooth. The first thing we want to do here is make sure we have the in-dash receiver switched on. You can see I'm on the AM/FM radio source right now. And on the phone, let's go to our settings and we'll choose Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. And that will automatically search for devices. When we find the AVH-110BT, that's this radio, we'll touch that on the phone screen. And it says, do you want to pair with this device? 872807, we'll say yes. And the two devices are paired. And do you want to synchronize your contacts with the in-dash receiver? We'll say allow. And that is going to synchronize the phone book contacts over to the in-dash receiver. When I see the Bluetooth logo over here lit up in blue, I know that I have a connection. So there's a second way that is very easy to pair your in-dash receiver over to the phone, and we're going to start the search from the in-dash receiver this time. So let's go to the gears, and we want to come down to the Bluetooth settings, but look, the Bluetooth settings are grayed out. That means we need to engage the parking brake. When I engage the vehicle's parking brake, you can see the Bluetooth settings become available, and I want to go to the connection menu here and search for devices. Now, it's very important. Go to your phone and open the Bluetooth window. On many phones, this makes the phone visible to other devices through Bluetooth. I can see my phone here, so I'm going to touch cancel and select Harry's iPhone. And it says, do you want to pair with this device? And it gives me a code number, 069090. That's the same number over here. So we'll say yes, pair with that device, and say yes, pair on the phone. And the two devices are paired, and again, we're going to allow it to synchronize the contacts. And you can see the phone book information is delivered from the phone. If we hit the X, come out to the source screen, you can see that the Bluetooth logo here is lit up in blue. That tells me that I've connected to the device.